Can the India First Life Growth of Life Dreams Plus plan truly help you turn your financial dreams into reality, or is it just another market linked insurance plan with average returns? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So, this is a non linked participating individual life insurance savings plan. Some of the key features of the policy are there are two plan options. You get to choose between immediate income and deferred income based on your financial needs, and you also get to receive your guaranteed income for an extended period with benefits available for up to 100 years. And it also provides you with life insurance protection throughout the policy term to help safeguard your family's financial future, and you also participate in the insurer's profits through cash bonus and terminal bonus if in case it was declared. So in the event of the life assured's death, all future premiums are waived. So the death benefit is paid immediately as a lump sum, and the future policy benefits continue to be paid to the nominee as originally planned. So there is a specific date which you can choose each year to receive your annual income, which is the save the date feature, such as your birthday, anniversary, or any other special occasion. And there is a special discount for female policyholders who are eligible for a discount on the first year premium, and there are tax benefits available as well. So these are some of the key features of the policy. Now let us take a look at the advantages. So in the event of the life assured's death during the policy term, all future policy benefits will continue to the nominee, ensuring the intended financial goal is not at all disrupted. And number two, you can choose to receive your survival benefit on a special date of your choice instead of the policy anniversary. And you also get special discounts as a woman policy holder and for paying your premiums in advance as well. So if you have a policy with an annualized premium of 1 lakh rupees or more, or eligible for higher enhancement factors on the guaranteed sum assured on maturity. There are also optional riders which you can add to enhance your coverage, which is up to 3 riders there are, which are subjected to eligibility and the plan's terms and conditions. And you also get to take a loan against the policy up to 80% of the acquired surrender value. So these are some of the advantages of the policy. Now let us take a look at the disadvantages. So opting for yearly income payout limits the amount that remains invested. So it reduces the power of compounding and potentially lowers your long-term wealth creation. And the sum assured offered under the plan may not be sufficient to meet your family's long-term financial protection needs. So your regular income payouts may also encourage unnecessary or discretionary spending instead of being used for long-term financial goals. So once your income payout starts, it cannot be deferred or postponed based on your changing financial needs. So these are some of the drawbacks that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. Now, as we have a basic idea about the policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video. So here we are going to conduct an IRR analysis. So we are going to calculate the internal rate of return of this policy based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure to help us make an informed decision. So here let us consider a 50-year-old male who has opted for this policy with a 50-year policy term and a 10-year premium paying term, paying an annual premium of 2 lakh. So the plan provides a sum assured of 22 lakhs, and he has chosen the deferred income option as a policyholder. After completing the premium payments, the policyholder will start receiving annual survival benefits including bonuses. So at the end of the policy term, he will receive the maturity benefit along with the terminal bonus. So according to the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure, there are based on assumed investment returns of 4 and 8%, which is just to show you how this policy can perform at worst and best case scenario. These are just for example purpose and they are not at all guaranteed returns. So the actual benefits will depend on the insurer's future bonus declaration. This is just for an example scenario. So under the 4% return scenario, the estimated annual income is 45,720 rupees and the projected maturity benefit is around 41 lakhs, which results in an IRR IRR of 2.94% as per the policy's maturity calculator. This is even lower than the interest rate offered by a typical savings account. Under the 8% return scenario, the estimated annual income increases to 1.08 lakh with a projected maturity benefit of 1.63 crore. So even then the plan generates an IRR of only 6.47% as per the policy's maturity calculator, which remains lower than the returns currently offered by many bank fixed deposits. Moreover, the regular income paid under the plan is fixed and does not increase with inflation, which reduces its purchasing power over time. Although the policy provides income for an extended period of 50 years, the overall returns are relatively modest. So, considering its limited life insurance cover, low return potential, and the impact of inflation on fixed payouts, the policy may not be a suitable option for investors seeking long term wealth creation and adequate financial protection. So these are something that you need to consider. And as we know that this policy does not give us the desirable outcome that we need, let us move on to the comparative analysis part of the video, where we are going to compare this policy returns with other alternative investment strategies. Here, instead of investing under a single policy which combines both insurance and investment, we are going to invest in both components separately to see whether that can provide us effective results. So here let us use the same or similar parameters from the previous example for a much more fairer comparison. So here for life cover, we have taken up a pure term life insurance policy with a sum assured of 22 lakhs, which requires an annual premium of 38,900 rupees for a 20-year policy term with a 10-year premium paying term. This leaves us with 1,61,000 each year, which is available for investment based on the investor's risk appetite. So, if you are a conservative investor, you may prefer debt-oriented options such as the Public Provident Fund (PPF), while investors with a higher risk tolerance may opt for equity mutual fund. For this comparison, let us consider the equity mutual fund route. So at the end of the accumulation phase, the equity mutual fund corpus is transferred to an instrument earning 7% annually. This corpus is then used to generate annual withdrawals that match the cash flow illustration under the 8% return scenario of the IndiaFirst policy, with the remaining balance being fully redeemed at maturity. The equity mutual fund investment accumulates to a pre-tax corpus of 31.66 lakhs, which after accounting for capital gains tax, the post-tax corpus is 29.87 lakhs. If you have any doubts regarding how we have calculated tax for equity mutual fund, you can see that we have presented a small tabular column on the screen for your easy reference. So this amount is invested in a 7% return generating instrument from which annual withdrawals are made to replicate the plan's income payouts, followed by complete redemption at maturity. This strategy delivers an internal rate of return IRR of 7.79%. So the effective return can be even higher if annual withdrawals are not required as the corpus continues to compound. More importantly, this approach offers significantly greater flexibility, allowing investors to withdraw money only when needed rather than receiving fixed payouts irrespective of their financial requirements. Then what is the final verdict? Is investing in the IndiaFirst Life Growth of Life Dream Plus plan worth it or not? This is a traditional insurance investment product that combines life cover with regular income. It allows you to receive periodic cash flows either immediately after the premium paying term or at a deferred stage. However, a significant portion of the survival and maturity benefits is non-guaranteed, as these depend on future bonus declarations. So, in addition, the life insurance cover provided under the plan may not be sufficient to meet your family's long-term financial needs, and it also has a high agent commission. The plan's regular income feature also comes at a cost. Annual payouts interrupt the compounding of your investment, which can significantly reduce long-term wealth creation. If your objective is to generate regular income, separating insurance from investment is generally a more efficient approach. The combination of limited life cover, non-guaranteed benefits, and relatively modest returns makes the IndiaFirst policy a less suitable option for long-term investors. To adequately protect your family's financial future, you can consider purchasing a pure term life insurance policy with sufficient coverage. And for wealth creation, you can invest separately in products that match your risk appetite, financial goals, and investment horizon. Instead of depending on insurance plans for regular income, you can start by building a well diversified investment portfolio. And if you need professional guidance for personalizing financial strategy, you can consult with a certified financial planner who can help you choose the right combination of insurance and investment products based on your individual needs and long term objectives. If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.